In this video, I'll show you how you can connect Google Places to Base44. So first thing you need to do is open Integrations tab. Then you can search for Google Places. Then click on Google Places. From here, you can see you can search and fetch rich location data, including names, ratings, hours, and contact info. So you have also some example prompts you can do with Google Maps integration. And what we need to do to connect this is we need to get Google Places API key. So we can go to this console.cloud.google.com site here, copy it, and you can open it in new window. Then from here, you need to click on this navigation menu. And from here, choose APIs and services. Then from here, you need to click on this plus enable APIs and services. Click on it. And from here, you need to search for Google Places. Then select this first one, this Places API. Click on it. And from here, click enable. To enable it, you need to agree and continue here. Then you need to add your payment method and click on start free. Then what you need to do is go back to APIs and services and click on credentials. And then from here, you can see your Maps platform API key, or you can create new. If you click on create credentials, then click on API key. And from here, you can create new one. So I already have one, so I'm gonna click on show key. And from here, I'm going to copy my key. And then go back to Base44 and click on use this integration. And here you need to paste your Google Places API key. I'm gonna paste it. And that's how you can connect Google Places to Base44. As you can see, it's showing me integrations 1. So this means it's successfully connected. And if you find this helpful, consider subscribing.